This is a trigger point release video for the pectoralis muscle, also known as the pecs or the chest. The main area that we're going to focus on is just under the clavicle, which is your bone here in your neck, because that's where a lot of times the trigger points tend to be. So what you do is you take your tennis ball on that spot, then once you're there, you're going to lean into the wall, and then move that around until you find a trigger point. And then once you're there, you're going to sit there and hold it for about 20 to 30 seconds. You might have a few spots throughout here, so you can move that ball around and find the different areas. And once you're on a spot, hold it, and then you can also bring your arm up and around. You get a little bit more tension here. Again, leaning on the wall in this exercise, releasing the pecs.